So what you have here is the Honor Magic V2 RSR. This is our Porsche edition of the Magic V2. The design you have here, with a line down the middle, is to mimic the hood of the famous Porsche 911. The camera layout here is also to mimic the Porsche badge, the shield. This phone, even when closed, is 9.9mm thick, the world's thinnest inward folding phone. Even when opened, it is only 4.7mm thin. Even though the phone is this thin, it has a 5000 mAh battery, which is the largest battery in any folding phone on the market. You don't lose quality on the camera, with an amazing 50 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 20 megapixel telephoto lens, keeping all the quality in the photos. It can shoot 60 FPS video. If I go to the settings and change that to 60 FPS, come back to the camera. Ridiculously smooth video. You have foldable features such as our hover mode. If I put the phone to a 90-degree angle like this, I can place it down. I can see my pictures I've taken at the bottom here. So if I new photo, it displays it here. I can also, if I close the phone and I was to film myself taking a selfie, I actually photo mode here. I can swipe up, open the phone, and see myself via the main sensor rather than from selfie camera, lowering the exposure. That's very bright in there. And again, I can then use different. You have foldable features such as screen. So if I open the phone, open an app like TikTok, I can swipe in from the side to get my menu of apps that I want to go split screen with. Say I want to open the Play Store, I hold and drag and drop. There you go. These devices aren't connected to the Wi-Fi. You have a 7.9-inch display on the inside, and on the front, an almost 6.5-inch display, which gives you the feeling of using a normal smartphone and not condensed down.